Good morning. You say good morning? No, I can't talk. You gonna say good morning? Are you gonna say good morning? Must you always come lay on me like that when I'm vlogging? Yeah. Should we get up, Bam Bam? We can go for a run and go to baby boot camp. I love you. I love you. Okay, come on, let's go. You guys, I have no idea what happened to my audio, but for whatever reason, it's not working. So basically, we went for a run, and it was a beautiful day outside. Oh my gosh. And Bam was being super good in the stroller. And then all of a sudden, we passed some lawnmowers. And when we passed those lawnmowers, Bam just started crying like crazy. So I had to take him out, and then ended up having to walk the half of a mile of my 6 miles that I did. So yeah, I ended up walking, and then we got to baby boot camp, and Bam just did not want to sit in the stroller, and he just wanted to be on me the whole time. Like, he was very, very attached because he was just so scared. And I don't know why, because, you know, we had passed him a while ago, but I don't know. He was scared. So I ended up leaving baby boot camp a little early and went to go drop off some stuff for Billy at work. So yeah, sorry about the audio. Gosh. Bam is knocked out. So I am watching an Indian movie. महलों की रानी है सुंदर सयानी है वो खानदानी है जाने दिल क्या क्या खरीदे हम क्या ना खरीदे हम क्या दे निशानी ये है मुश्किल. Don't mind the weeds in the background. Oh, need to mow the lawn. But we're just hanging out outside, huh, Bam Bam? It's such a nice day today. Yay! You say yay! Yay! Hey, ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Hey, oh my, oh my. Are you happy to be outside? Huh? Dance, 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 dance. I love you. I don't know where he's going. Where are you going? Getting up close and personal? Hmm? Bam Cam.
Hey. bring us, Dad.
So you're home, you're home.
Hey guys.
Now you're happy? You're just being a crabby pants?
They shouted, it's a miracle. It must just be a dream. Gerald's the best dancer that we ever seen. Okay, are you satisfied with that? Can you show the page? Then he raised his head up at the moon and stars above. I can't see. We all can dance, he said, when we find music.
Hey, Mom, can you dance? Dance, 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 dance. Yay! Who needs toys? Right, babe?
More fun with this bag than any toy we got.
I know. He's been playing with it for like the past 10 minutes. Once again, I forgot to end the vlog. I don't know. So instead of doing a voiceover, I figured I would show my beautiful face and tell you guys I forgot. But I'm editing the vlog and I was looking for the clip that, you know, we said goodnight and goodbye. But I guess we didn't record it. We have been slacking for like this whole week, I feel like, with ending the vlog. So, sorry. You know, I don't know what's going on. By the way, we are going to get the camera up and running tomorrow. I'm going to work on it as soon as I'm done with this vlog because I'm sick of not having like good quality. Whenever I edit these vlogs, I feel like the quality of my iPhone camera just isn't as good as my Sony. So we had a really nice day. It was super laid back, chill and relaxed. That's why we didn't really do much. Sorry if the vlog is kind of boring. You know, we just hung out, and to be honest, Bam was crabby like majority of the day. Ever since he saw that lawnmower, I don't know what happened, but he was just crabby most of the day. So I didn't record a lot just because he was crabby. Who wants to see a crabby baby all the time, right? Right? I don't want to see a crabby baby all the time. Crazy kid. Go comment down below. I don't care what you say. Say hi. Tell me what your name is. Tell me what your favorite color is. What's your favorite food? What do you like to do? Do you have kids? Do you not have kids? And how many kids do you have? I don't know. Just tell me something about yourself. Go comment down below. I just love, I don't know, seeing who is watching, and I love interacting with you guys. So comments are super important to me to keep me motivated to keep vlogging, and it just makes me feel good. But anyways, enough about me feeling good. But for real, go comment down below. But you guys know what to do. If you guys like our videos, give us a big thumbs up. My thumb is not very big, but give us a big thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button. It's red. It's like a long rectangle with a subscribe on it. Go ahead and click that, baby. Click, click. And we make vlogs every single day, so tune back tomorrow. And if you want, you could do that notification thing where we'll tell you every time we post a new vlog, you know. Why not? Why not, you guys? See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Go comment.